Hello guys, this is Frank Tapia here once again, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you all my DVD unboxing of Blue's Clues and You, Storytime with Blue. Yes, top it says Nickelodeon logo on there. It says 2-disc special edition. It says new to DVD, includes 4 bonus American Sign Language flashcards. It says celebrating 25 years of Blue's Clues with Blue and original host Steve in Blue's Biggest Stories. Here's Blue, Magenta, Mailbox, Tickety Talk, Side Table Drawer, and Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper on there, as you can see. This is an excellent show, so here's the front, the spine, other spine. It comes with the slipcover and the back. Nickelodeon logo art, see? This is Blue 25 logo on there. Episodes includes Storytime with Blue, Blue's Big Imagination, Pajama Party with Blue, and Sleeping Sing-Along with Blue. It includes Blue's Clues, Blue's Biggest Stories from the classic series, English stereo. It says Dolby Digital 5.1, French stereo, and Spanish stereo. It's released by Paramount Home Entertainment, a Viacom CBS company. Not rated, and it's 286 minutes running time. It says www.paramount.com. But anyway, without further ado, let's get this unboxing right now. Okay. Logo are the same, characters are the same, spine's the same, other spine's the same, back is the same. Logo are the same, episodes are the same, includes are the same. But characters are the same, the logo are the same, which I'm not gonna bother. Here's the spine and the back. They're all the same, which I'm not gonna bother. But anyway, without further ado, let's get this unboxing right now. Okay, so here's the front again, the spine, and the back. We can open this up. Here's the insert for sign language. It says bed, sleep, book, and read. Here's disc 1 with Blue's Clues and You, Storytime with Blue. And the second disc is Blue's Clues, Blue's Biggest Stories. There we go. Alright guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comment section below Alright, bye, and happy 25th anniversary, Blues Clues.